deliver yung kanta. Although sadness po yung nakikita, pero ano siya, parang pag sinabihan niya yung girl na ganun, sobrang bigat, baka masaktan yung sasabihan niya.
In other words, talagang ang lalim. Eh, kay Sen?
Kay Sen, sobrang parang nagmamakaawa siya dun sa babae na sabihin niya.
Parang tatanggapin siya ulit.
Oh.
Mas may sympathy value yung kay Sen. In other words, kay Sen, mas may sympathy value in the thing. Okay, we got the opinions of girls, ha? Let's get the opinions of the guys. Miguel, Rafael.
I think the one of Miguel, both are unique, but for me, what I noticed in Miguel is yung style. It's really Miguel, like, the way, yung vibrato, the kulot and stuff. Yun talaga si Miguel, yung pagkatao niya. On the note of the feel, parang si Miguel, he was singing it alone. Si Hansen was singing it, and the girl he was singing to was there.
Yeah.
That's true. Very good observation, Rafael. Very good.
Pero direct, is it bad to hear what you want to hear?
Wait. Cool ka lang dyan. We'll get to you. You have no right to talk pa. Okay? Ikaw, Van.
Guys,
Sakit.
the way sinabi niya yung nandito ako, yung 2 minutes, kasi medyo magkaroon, nandito ako, kahit anong mangyari, basta nandito pa rin sa yung tao, basta nandito lang ako, support na lang, pero hindi, parang, kay Miguel naman,
Okay. Now, ano sasabihin mo, Miguel?
Paano kung yun talaga yung gusto kong iparating? Kahit na sa tingin nila parang mali.
Hindi naman sinabi nilang mali, anak.
Kasi parang huwag ka magagalit, parang ganun.
Hindi. Kasi they were going to say something na baka akala nila na-offend ka. But they didn't say it's mali. Pinako-compare lang eh.
Pero for me, it's a good thing kasi yun yung talaga gusto ko iparating na I'm alone.
That you are alone. Okay. Now, yes.
Kasi I asked them how they're gonna channel the song. Miguel told me a certain, or how he wanted it. And yun yung na-deliver.
Okay. So Miguel, you see, your choice of how you attack a song already reveals how you can alienate people. Gets mo? Objective